This is my new skillet. I'm going to be cooking in for the first time this morning. I'm going to make up some eggs and oats for breakfast and slice up some bananas to go with it. Kids are all up and doing their morning chores and getting ready for the day. I am still in my jammies and we'll be getting ready for the day shortly after breakfast. And now it's time to get ready for the day. Ta-da! Alright, I am ready for the day and it's time to get ready to head down to church in just a little bit.
But the truth is that faithful people of faith, full of faith, respond differently to things. We tend to think that when we go through troubles, that God has forgotten us somehow. Actually, the troubles are the crucible where faith is perfected.
Well, church was awesome, and then after church we went out and got some lunch, and now we're back home, and lunch was also very good. So I just did a little bit of editing of church services so that I didn't have to do that later today on my computer. And now I'm probably going to try to figure out to write something on my poor and neglected blog at eyes2jesus.blogspot.com, since it's been a long time since I've really written on there or done much. And yeah, then after that, I do need to put away some laundry that I'm behind on, and then I'm probably going to take it easy, maybe do some Bible study and some reading, and may or may not jump into the jacuzzi tub. It might be too hot for that. But yeah, gonna take it easy until it's time to make supper. It is 83 degrees in the house and rising. It is 90s outside. Our central air conditioning unit seems to have gone kaput. So we're getting that taken, getting that looked at, and then we need to find out if we need to call someone in or not. We're kicking on the blower fan right now and seeing if the AC unit outside is going to turn. So far, the AC unit outside is not behaving. So yeah, we'll see if the AC is going to behave itself, or if we're going to have to call in someone for repairs, or how we're going to do this. But I am definitely not getting into the jacuzzi now. Too hot. Alright, so I've been actually getting some stuff done this afternoon. I had to pay some bills and then work our budget and all that. So I didn't do it on Friday. And getting laundry caught up. I did manage to put my feet up and relax for a little bit though, and verified the air conditioning is broken. It's 86 degrees in the house. My husband's got it tweaked so that it will run for today. But we're kind of winging it, and it definitely needs to be fixed tomorrow, and it's totally undependable. So hopefully tomorrow we'll get someone in there to repair the central AC unit. Meanwhile, I got supper cooking. So I had meat sitting out that needed to be cooked, so I went ahead with my original dinner plans, especially since the AC is kind of going right now and it's cooling down. So I got oatmeal going on in the oven. Oatmeal? Did I say oatmeal? Oh my gosh. Meatloaf going on in the oven, and then on the pot on the stove next to me I am boiling some potatoes to make mashed potatoes, and then I'm going to make up a gravy and then steam some green beans. So tonight for supper we're going to have meatloaf, mashed potatoes and gravy, and green beans, and that is going to be so worth it. Yummy. It's one of our favorites around here. So yeah, I am now working on supper and enjoying feeling the house starting to cool back down. Supper was good, and with the whole air conditioning debacle, my afternoon kind of got a bit derailed. So I am putting away laundry now.